our nation commemorates the 185th anniversary of Jamaica's emancipation. Emancipation Day holds profound significance for our nation. It serves as a powerful reminder of the sacrifices made by our ancestors in their pursuit of freedom and justice, and of the ongoing struggle for reparatory justice for the descendants of enslaved peoples here in Jamaica and around the world. The struggle for emancipation was not an easy road. It was paved with the blood, sweat, and tears of those who endured unimaginable suffering. Our ancestors' unwavering spirit and determination inspire us to carry their legacy forward. Today, we honor the resilience and determination of our ancestors, who through indomitable courage and resilience shattered the chains of bondage and ignited the flame of freedom that continues to burn brightly in our hearts. Emancipation Day symbolizes not just the end of physical enslavement, but also the beginning of a quest for liberation in its fullest sense: economic, social, and indeed mental freedom. Therefore, today we also reflect on the work that still lies ahead to achieve true equality for all Jamaicans. The desire for true equality is also a call for unity, transcending our differences and working together towards a shared vision of a stronger, more inclusive Jamaica. It is only by working together that we can build a nation where every citizen's voice is heard and where opportunities abound regardless of background or circumstance. So, as Jamaicans, whatever our political, religious, or other persuasion, and whatever our ethnicity or social background, the collective recollection of the meaning of emancipation today requires us to stand united in the pursuit of a better Jamaica for all Jamaicans, not just for the privileged and well-connected few. As we embrace Emancipation Day, let us embrace each other as well. Our collective efforts will shape the future of this great nation. We can rise above our challenges and find common ground to uplift the nation, community by community, district by district, town by town, parish by parish. The legacy of Emancipation Day urges us to confront the challenges facing our nation head-on, with courage and collective commitment. We must rededicate ourselves to eradicating poverty, to ensuring access to quality education and healthcare for all Jamaicans, to building social cohesion, to reduce violent crime, and to protecting our environment and ecological heritage. To achieve these fundamental goals, we must deliberately build a system of inclusive socio-economic relationships and structures which nurture innovation, self-improvement of our people, entrepreneurialism, and generate sustainable economic growth. This Emancipation Day, let us carry the spirit of hope and unity in our hearts throughout the coming year. Let us use it as a catalyst for positive change and collective progress. Together, we can build a Jamaica that embodies the ideals of justice, freedom, and equality of access to opportunity for all. As Jamaicans, we recommit ourselves to the positive values that define us. We must learn from our history and celebrate our achievements. By working together, we can overcome any obstacle and ensure a brighter future for generations to come. I wish you all a happy and meaningful Emancipation Day. May the spirit of our ancestors guide us towards a more progressive and equitable Jamaica.